Okay, there are several different ways to graph a quadratic inequality. I'm going to show you how to find it based off of the vertex or the axis of symmetry, and then working from there with an XY table. The first thing that you need to remember is that to find the axis of symmetry, you are going to use x equals negative b over 2a. So if you have something in standard form, of course you have your a, b, and c, and you would just plug it in from there. Okay, so for ours, negative b would be negative 16 over 2 times a, which is negative 2. Okay, on the bottom of that, that would give me negative 16, negative 4. Okay, if I divide those out, I get a positive 4. So I know the x value of my axis of symmetry or my vertex is going to be 4. Okay, that's your turning point. So make an XY table with 4 in the middle, okay, because that's your vertex, and you want 2 points on either side. So I'm going to go 2 less, 3 and 2, and then 2 that are greater than that, 5 and 6. Then what you'll do is plug in each of these x values to your inequality. Okay, pretend that this is an equal sign, plug each x value in wherever you have x, and see what it gives you for y. Then you'll plot those points. Okay, remember that whatever number you get here, that's your vertex. These two numbers that you get for the ones 1 away on either side should be equal, and 2 away on either side should be equal. Okay, now I've already plugged these in, and you can see the work here if you need to see that, but I'm just going to go ahead and copy these numbers over here so that I can show you how to actually graph it. Again, I just plugged these into my equation that I got from here. You can plug this whole thing right in the calculator and it gives you these numbers. So this is negative 5, 1, 3, 1, and negative 5. Okay, these are your coordinates that you're graphing. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, starting with my vertex, which is at 4, 3. Okay, the next 2 points are 3, 1, and 5, 1. And the last 2 are 2, negative 5, and 6, negative 5. Okay, once you have those points, I can see that my graph is concave down, okay, meaning my parabola is facing down. That's evident by this negative sign. I need to check and make sure before I draw my line if I need to do a dotted parabola or one that is not, like a solid one. Because it has an or equal to underneath it, I know that it's going to be solid. So just go ahead and connect these as best you can. Okay, it's not dotted because there is an or equal to, it will be solid. The only thing that you have left to do is figure out where to shade. Okay, it says y is greater than or equal to when it's in standard form. So that means anything that's greater than or above my parabola. So that's going to be all of this. Okay, not anything that is underneath it. Everything that is greater than.